Did you know a zoo veterinarian risked everything to expose an international animal trafficking ring? Dr. Zoe Martinez thought she was treating sick animals at the city zoo until she noticed something disturbing. Rare endangered species kept disappearing, replaced by visibly ill animals from unknown sources. She started investigating and discovered the horrifying truth. The zoo director was secretly selling endangered tigers, rhinos, and exotic birds to private collectors for massive profits. Meanwhile, the public believed their donations were supporting real conservation efforts. Zoe faced an impossible choice: stay silent and keep her job, or risk everything to save these animals. She chose to document every illegal sale and contacted federal wildlife authorities. The director immediately suspended her, and his criminal connections began threatening her family. For months, she endured harassment and intimidation while investigators built their case. Then came the federal raid that changed everything. Agents rescued dozens of endangered animals and exposed a multi-million-dollar trafficking network. Zoe received federal recognition and was offered a position with the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. Her courage saved countless species and protected real conservation efforts worldwide.